1, fan your phone or blow on it. It may sound silly, but fanning your phone or blowing on it can help. Just as fanning keeps a body cool. Breeze can help cool off your phone when it's getting a bit too toasty. 2, avoid sudden changes in temperature. Can you put your phone in the freezer or fridge or cool it off? We wouldn't recommend it. Exposing your phone to extreme temperature strains the components and also puts it at risk of collecting moisture, surefire way to break your device. 3, take it off. The case that is, if your phone is overheating, your phone case isn't helping. Phones are built with dissipating heat in mind, but cases can hold it in. So take that case off to help your phone cool down more quickly. 4, turn off Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is on, but the phone isn't connected to a device, it will constantly scan for something to connect to. This can cause the phone to warm up. 5, turn on airplane mode. If your phone has low or no signal, it may be working overtime searching for a connection, which can lead to your phone warming up. Turn on airplane mode until you're back in an area with coverage. Okay. 6, separate your phone from your other tech. Stacking your running phone, tablet, and computer together in a bag makes them more susceptible to overheating, so you got to keep them separated to help them keep their cool.